Alright, another product from Queen.M that I was sent and asked to review, which I received for free in exchange for this review, is a Sling cute open cup strappy bow lingerie push-up bra underwear set. I'm not sure how push-up bra this is actually going to be since it's open cup, but what the heck, who am I to argue, right? So here's what we got. First thing, looks like we're looking at the bottom. Now this is going to be open back as well, and then looks like it ties with this bow, which looks pretty nice. There are some creases on the bow. I'm not sure how you're going to be able to get those out, or even if you're going to bother with it. To be quite honest, I'm not going to bother with it. But if you wanted to get it out, you'd probably want to talk with the manufacturer about what the material is made of and the best way to get wrinkles out, whether or not you iron this, or if you steam it, or if you just have to leave it as is. But there's that. Definitely sheer and see-through, so that way you can see that part. Now the top, hold on a second here. Looks like this came with a bonus extra bottom. Probably added by mistake, I imagine. Looking at some pictures here, either mistake or was supposed to be included underneath it in the first place. This one is not really sheer unless you start to pull it open. Of course on the camera it looks like it really is, but if I'm just looking at it like this, I cannot see through it at all. But as soon as you do that, apparently you can really see through it. So that's kind of interesting. Bonus piece. Here's the top. Again, the bows you can see show some wrinkling. Important, up to you. As I'm trying to see how these are folded up. Looks like this one kind of didn't get folded up quite right. Size just isn't right, it doesn't match. Angle's a little funny, and the seam's ripped right there as well, so that way you can see that. As far as the clasps on top, well, let's go to the shoulder pieces first. Shoulder straps, they are adjustable. A little bit of elastic to it, not a lot, but adjustable, and a slight elastic. This has quite a bit of elastic to it due to the fact it's probably got some elastic, and it's a mesh product, which those typically stretch easy enough. And then you've got 3 adjustable spots for the top here. So as we measure that across, I'll tell you it's 28 inches from one end to the other, which seems a little small, but we're going to give it a shot, get it on, see what we can tell you about it. Then these, apparently, once it's on, so I guess if you were to envision it being worn like this from the front, the bow would tie across the top, and then you'd make some nice little decorative thing, which I'm not going to do there. We're just going to go with our good old square knot right now. So that would go across the top of the breasts, so that way you can see that, or at least kind of envision how it's supposed to go on. You've probably already seen the pictures though, but at least you've got that. The bow, of course, in the pictures is significantly different from the one that I just tied, so don't go by that at all. Bottom, there's real no size you have to worry about because of this being a tie. However, the extra bonus one that was included, kind of limited on how elastic it is. Without the elastic, would come out to about 13.5 inches. If you stretch it as tight as it'll go, 19, that's not going to be comfortable. So if you're more than 38 inches, that's not going to be comfortable for you to wear that one at all. But that's really about all I got to show you right now. So we'll give it a shot. We'll trial it, and then write up a good review at a later date to let you know what we think of the whole thing. Questions or comments, make sure to ask, and again, I was sent this product in exchange for the review. Thanks.